From King Kong to Tarzan to Planet of the Apes, we have been obsessed with the same idea for generations. A giant gorilla. Pure muscle, pure danger. But real gorillas are not movie monsters. So what are they actually like? And if you met one in the wild, how worried should you be? Let's start with the part movies get right. A male silverback is enormous. The biggest primate on Earth. Often over 200 kilograms. That is roughly the weight of a full-grown tiger. And they are built for power. Their arms are thicker, longer, and more muscular than their legs. Measured pound for pound, they can be around 6 times stronger than humans. So, yes, they are strong enough to be scary. But here is the twist. Strength is not the same thing as aggression. First, what even is a gorilla? Gorillas are primates, like monkeys. But they are not monkeys. They are apes. In the same family as chimpanzees, orangutans, gibbons, and humans. A quick way to tell. Most monkeys have tails. Gorillas do not. And gorillas only live in Africa. 2 main types. Mountain gorillas, with darker, thicker fur, and lowland gorillas, usually slimmer and more grey. They live in dense forests, and even though they can climb extremely well, they spend most of their lives on the ground. Now let's talk about the group, because gorillas are not lone warriors. They live in tight family troops, and the silverback is the leader. Usually there is one silverback, several adult females, and they're young. Females usually have one baby at a time, and the baby stays very dependent on its mother for about 6 years. That is 6 years of learning what to eat, where to go, and how to survive. Young males mature around 8 years old, but they do not get the silver hair yet, so they are called blackbacks. Around 13, they become full silverbacks, old enough and strong enough to protect a troop. So how dangerous are they really? This is where the movies exaggerate, because guerrilla conflict is usually about intimidation, not non-stop fighting. They do not want to waste energy getting injured, so they do something much smarter. They convince you they could destroy you without having to do it. That chest beating, the posture, the size, the stare. It is a warning system. Yes, gorillas can fight, and when they do, it can be brutal. Sometimes even deadly, mostly between males, but attacks on humans are extremely rare. The reality is, they are far more gentle than they look. Just do not push your luck, because gentle does not mean safe. Now the food question. Do gorillas eat bananas? Almost never in the wild. Bananas are not even native to Africa. Wild gorillas mostly eat plants, leaves, shoots, and pith, the soft center inside stems. They are basically powerful vegetarians. And that huge dome on their head is not just for looks. It supports massive muscles that help grind tough vegetation. So no, it is not all brain up there. But there is plenty of brain too. Scientists have identified around 25 different gorilla vocalizations. They communicate constantly, and some gorillas in captivity have learned a form of sign language. And the similarities to humans get even closer. They have 32 teeth, same as us. They have unique fingerprints, like us. And they share about 97% of their DNA with humans, which makes this next part hit harder. There are fewer than 900 mountain gorillas left on Earth. That is not a someday problem. That is a right now number. Their forests are being cut down. Some are killed for meat. And because they are so closely related to us, they can catch our diseases too. So the real story of gorillas is not how scary are they? It is how close are we to losing them? Because the most dangerous creature in a gorilla's world is not another gorilla. It is us.